Bye, guys.
Shut the college.
They've just shut. Bye.
The big BC.
Hashtag first year over. Hope you've enjoyed. Please like, comment, subscribe.
And you don't even know it.
Bye. Get the thumbnail. Bye. Love you.
See you next time.
Love you. Mwah. Love you. Happy birthday for next week.
Are you going home? Thank you so much, Camden.
I highlighted first year. You know what? I really enjoyed that contemporary class that just got cut off. Doing like floor work, it was really cool.
We just did that away once, like final performance, and then Nick was like, guys, we're showing the college.
Like we just did 42nd Street with Hannah.
Oh.
We learned 42nd Street, guys. It was so cool. Did you do it?
Oh,
We only had it.
let's be honest. Unless you love the food.
Bye, Steve.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, bud. See you never.
How do you feel?
Yeah, I feel like the camera's too close, thank you. No, it's been a bit of a SHIT year already, so it's a bit of a rubbish ending. Yeah. You know, what can you do? Expect to be safe. I'm sorry.
Feeling mixed emotions right now, guys. Or maybe I'm just sad. Yeah, I'm sad. I was having such a good time right there. And then what happens? This day is the worst day ever. Feels like deja vu. Is that the thing? Deja vu, like when you experience like the same thing over. Like, you know, when everything first closed down. This feels like that. Hi guys, just got some food. Some McDonalds. Mukbang. Is it a mukbang or a mukbang? Mukbang. 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 Got this chocolate milkshake. Ta-da! Pretty good. And we got some chips. We got some chicken nuggies. They gave me a salsa dip. They gave me a salsa when I asked for ketchup. Oh, and then we also got these mozzarella dippers. Excuse me? You're a bit loud. Okay, they're leaving. Bye, sashay away. Yeah, so I got 3 mozzarella dippers. Still really loud. 3 mozzarella dippers, okay, and they're gonna be really good. Let's eat everything now. I literally said today, I'm not gonna vlog today because I've vlogged every day for like the past 2 weeks. Now look what happened. Should have been vlogging. Vlogging gives me good luck. Then maybe it wouldn't have happened. I'm really sad, but I don't want to be sad. It doesn't feel real. I'm just trying to like hope for the best. Maybe it will all be fine and maybe we'll be able to go back in tomorrow. These are really good. Correct. You guys asked for a mukbang, so here it is. So how are you guys doing today? I'm not doing very well, but how are you doing? Let me know down in the comments. My train's literally sat right there, but it's not moving. It doesn't move for like another 10 minutes. We're opening up the nuggies. How many did we get? They gave me 9. I mean, I asked for 9, but like, I thought they were gonna give me 10 now. Disgraceful. Yeah. My day was going so good until this happened. I don't know when to go home. Go home in the next couple of days, but then they might change their mind. Stupid coronavirus. If this little nuggie was coronavirus, do you know what I would do? I would chuck him over there onto the tracks. Then he would get a penalty fare for going on the tracks. Look, I'll show you. Tracks there. I'd throw him off. Can't actually see it. I think that's weird. That's just me. Writing isn't very good, is it? Grace Clayton, if you're watching this video right now, make sure you let me know what your address is so I can send you a birthday card. Anyone else do this where they put their like chips on this side and nuggets on this side? And I saw on TikTok that like you can put the straw through on there, but I don't do that. I just normally eat it like this so you can have it all together. It's pretty good. Oh no,
I don't even know why it's closed, you guys. Like, it's closed for coronavirus, but like, why though? Staff or text the British Transport Police on 61016. We'll sort it. See it, say it. Sorted. Can you sort my situation out, please? BRB gonna call 61016 or whatever it is.
Epsom, Ashford, Leatherhead,
Ow! Oh my god, that's me!
Horsley, London.
I've got 6 minutes. Hey! I've got 6 minutes left. We're 6. I don't get to do my dance on the open stage anymore, guys. I was so excited for that. These chips are a bit... they're not as good. They're really good shapes. Look at this one, it's stuck to that one. I'm on my final nugget. Can we eat a hole in one? Let's try. I should probably get on the train now. Bye.
And then college closing down is such a kind of the opposite of what it should feel like it's doing.
I just had jazz and we did the choreography to Jamie, and you don't even know it. I want to be in that show so badly. One of the backing dancers. Just learned the audition dance for it, I'm pretty sure. And then I went to the shop, and as you can see, I got some ice cream and pizza because I've had such a sad day today. So I need something to cheer me up, and this will do the trick. The premiere is about to start, you guys. At the time you're watching this video, let me know if you did watch the premiere. So yeah, it's my birthday eve today. I'm so excited. It's a little snippet. Go watch it if you haven't already. That was the worst ballet lesson of my entire life. I had no space to do anything, and I was just so bad. Had commercial earlier and just finished jazz, and it was so fun. I loved it. I wish we were in the studio though.
Enjoyed it so much. That's what I do when I go to the theatre if I enjoy something. Yeah, so you hear the depth, but you can also hear the pinginess going on. This is opera, people. This is opera quality.
So everyone, just in...
We're looking at
what is this lesson?
Hang on,
What we're doing?
breathing in sight. So the smooth
There's everyone there.
for that very...
Hey!
Hello. I've got my bread and my cheese and my onion.
Wow.
Cheese on toast, let's go.
Oh, I love cheese.
So I'm going to come...
I've met you before. You're Eloise, right?
I am Eloise.
There's 3 of you.
Eloise, Harwood, Hogburn, Mason. Oh. Just giving out their identity.
Yeah. Oops. Hey guys, I'm here with Kai.
In Avery House.
It's coming home. It's coming home. It's coming. Football's coming.
We're not talking about football, we're talking about us because Beard's closed.
Aww.
Before 9 or after 10, or after half 10 because Love Island. Do you want to watch Love Island with us?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. As long as it's not too late where I can't get the train.
You, this is probably unrelatable content for Tamsin's fans.
Probably about, the latest one's probably about 11.
But I hate
So
Love
that'll be
Island.
fine.
I hate Love Island.
You hate I haven't watched it.
Oh, do you watch it before?
No.
Oh, Tamsin, it's so bad.
Isn't there someone from Burden? Is that what Hannah?
Oh, spoiler.
Is that a spoiler?
She's not on yet. She's not on yet.
Oh.
Amazon releasing the inside tea.
I can't put that
That's
on.
the like inside tea about Love Island.
Should we do the thumbnail like?
Yeah.
Hi everyone.
How are you feeling about the football?
Great. This is coming in.
Is it out ready?
Do you want to film me chef in town?
They just popped out. I've never seen a contact lens before. Does it hurt your eye?
When I clawed it with my nails, yeah.
What are you making?
Arlette's making chicken, everyone. Wait, why are you guys having different dinners?
Oh, because we cook together.
Wait, so how does it work then? So you cook with Ben and then...
I cook for Ben. And he washes up.
It's Sophie, everyone! Hi. She's amazing. We're gonna be next door neighbours. That is so crazy. It's Maggie, everyone!
We just won the football time in very good mood.
Yeah, we're so excited.
And Ukraine just scored, didn't they? So
Yeah. Wow. Well done to them. Hello, everyone. Hello. What's your name?
Harry, I'm Harry.
Hello, Harry. And you're?
Alex.
Alex. Nice to meet
Harry
you.
teaches contemporary at Bird.
Wait, what? Oh my god.
He's camera shy. He's camera shy.
Guys, if you ever want to watch Harry get this res again, type in Fame ATG Youth Theatre. Watch that. It's that good.
Are you okay with being on camera? It's just I vlog every day now.
It's called.
How is second year?
Good. Tough.
Really?
We learned the first year assessment in one lesson. The jazz session.
Oh my god. Well, hopefully I'll see you next year and you've had your show.
Yes, you'll see me then.
You'll smash it.
Thank
What
you.
do you hope you're doing?
Double tandem.
Predictions. Don't know. A lot of people saying cats.
I was.
Oh, that would be cool. Unboxing with Sophie. Wow, look at those nails.
You still be there?
got them done yesterday.
Where'd you get them done?
Emily's in Sidcup. Really good. Really nice staff as well.
Oh, you got yours done as well?
I got mine at Harry's.
Oh. Why is there spider? Why did I fall for that?
I didn't even pick up the fridge.
Razors to shave.
Oh.
Not for me.
Who are they for? Oh. Kai, you got some razors.
These are the best razors that you can ever buy as a male presenting person who grows stubble.
Kai.
So good. So basically this is the haul, and basically so you get 2 sets but you also get 6 razors in there. This video today is sponsored by Harry. I'll get them out, Tamsin. Shit, I've got no nails.
That's like in Bradley's acting scene.
Right,
He's
so
like, I've
this
got
is
no
them, this is
nails.
them. Thank you so much, Harry's, for sponsoring this video today. If you use code SLATER, you get 20% off on Harry's, which is such a good deal. Honestly, you can get a subscription, it's like $10.99 a month. They're so sharp, like honestly. The best at shaving,
So
the
you've
best
tried
at
them
shaving.
before?
What I will say though, Harry's is, even though we're sponsored, it's very hard to get them out of the box. It's very hard. And I am somewhat more nail than a straight man. But as a straight man who this is catered for, it must be so hard to get them out of the box. Let's test this out. Harry's daughter, try and get these razors out of the box. Oh my god. It's much harder. As you can see, the time lapse, like it's a little bit slower than I was. So if you finally manage to get them out, the product is very usable, but it does take a while, Harry. So you and even to get them back in, things are coming out like sort your out, Harry's. So this is Harry, and even Harry himself couldn't get stuff out of
I use Harry, so
Harry's. Can I tell you? Harry's razors make you go from Jean Valjean to Marius like that. No, to cassette like that. It's so good.
Oh my gosh. Hello, Alicia! Say hi to the vlog! You guys know Tom, he's always in vlogs right now.
This is Sophie.
Lucas!
I'm back.
He's back, everyone.
Hill.
He's got his fab. And we got Love Island. Oh, it's not started yet.
That's a pirate.
Wait, are those like the parrots that you see in Sidcup? I can't wait to see them. Is this it? Yeah.
Previously.
On Love Island.
Five ladies said hello. Oh my god. To our summer never.
So guys, I just watched my first like 10 minutes or something of Love Island. I get it now. They steal each other's people and then it's dramatic. There's Harry and Alex. No, I'm not gonna see Melody until September. I'm so sad.
Have a good summer.
You too. You too. See you in September, hopefully.
Oh, you're going?
Yeah, I'm going. Let me know what. Let me know what happens in Love Island. Okay.
Remember.
Okay.
Hey Siri, stop.
Bye. comments and subscribe. So thanks so much for watching this video. Here's Melody, she's amazing. Bye!